What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Savara Inc. is an interesting company and I think it might do really well in the months ahead. Keep in mind, this is a high-risk penny stock with a market cap of only 85 million, while the rest of the market is in red today. Pre-market, Savara Inc. is doing pretty well. Not to mention that yesterday was a really good day for this company as it finished up the day 15% up. Stick around till the end of the video because I'll explain what this company does, why the share price has done so well in the last couple of days, and also how high the share price can go from these levels. Finally, I'll talk a bit about what I'm planning on doing with this company. Savara Inc. is an orphan lung disease company. Their lead program is essentially an inhaled granulocyte-macrophage colony stimulating factor. This drug is in phase 3 development and is a treatment for aPAP. aPAP is a rare disease, so the total addressable market isn't going to be huge. However, the important thing to note here is that this drug has been given orphan drug designation for the treatment of aPAP in the US and also in the EU, according to which Savara will have a 7-year exclusivity in the US and a 10-year exclusivity in the EU should it pass phase 3. It's also interesting to see that there's been a lot of insider buying as of late. Most of these shares were bought at a share price that's not too far away from the current levels. Whenever there's insider buying like this, you have to pay attention because it shows how confident the management team are about the future of the company. When we look at the ownership breakdown, we can see that 19.8% are held by institutions. Now, the reason why the share price has done so well is due to a price target upgrade by an analyst. One analyst gave it a share price of $7, which presents a huge upside potential from the current share price of $2. On tip ranks, this company is a moderate buy with an average price target of $5.50 and a high target of $7. When we take a look at their balance sheet, we can see that their debt to equity ratio is satisfactory, which is a good sign for a penny stock. Now, what's the bottom line with this stock and what am I doing personally? I really like the amount of insider buying that's happened in the last month, and the analyst upgrades are also really positive. The exclusivity rights for 7 years in the US and 10 years in the EU means that although the target market is small, they'll end up taking a larger chunk of this market. Now, when you add in all of the insider buying that's been happening with the stock, it makes it a compelling buy with a good risk to reward ratio. For all of these reasons, I'll be looking to start a position in this company today, but this will make up a very small portion of my portfolio since it is a high risk play. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.